How to save Viber photos, videos, audio on an Android device. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To save this media on your Android device automatically, you can just do it with a simple toggle on a button. For that, check out your Viber application firstly. If you have not logged in or created an account, make sure to do so. Once you are in the Viber, tap on the More option that is in your bottom right. From here, check out the Settings option. In the settings, navigate to the option of Media. Now over here, you will find the option of Save to Gallery. Make sure to toggle this button on. This will allow Viber to automatically save media to your gallery. Once you do so, you can select on the quality of your media. Make sure to click on Excellent. Once you do so, now all of the media that will be sent to your Viber will be automatically saved on your Android device. If for some reason you cannot save it, press and hold onto your application and check out App Info. Right here, click on Permission and make sure you have granted the permission for your camera and as well as music and audio and photos and video. Just tap on this media and set on Allow. This is how you can easily save these media. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.